how to find out your friend's server in Roblox. So for example, if they're playing this game and you want to join your friend's server, whichever they're playing on, here's how we do it. The first thing that we need to do is go to Google and search for RolePro, and we want to get this first extension here. It's a very popular extension. It's safe as well. It has 2 million users, so just click on get here. Click on the blue button, and once we have it, it will require some verification right here. I have a tutorial on how you can verify as well on my channel if you need help, so just search for verify RolePro, and right here, once we have it verified, it will show up like this, your most played. Now if we want to get our friend's server in Roblox, whichever server they're playing on, we want to get the game first. So for example here, a mansion tycoon cars. So my friend is playing this game. I will search for mansion tycoon in experiences here, and I'll just click on this experience. Now once we have this game open, if we go to servers here, and if we scroll down, you will see this servers my friends are in, and here you will be able to see your friend, and if we want to join them, we'll just click on this join button and we'll join the same server that our friend is playing on. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.